Hello guys, welcome you all. First of all, best wishes to all of you guys for your today's exam. Today you have your first exam, B.Ed first exam, paper 1, childhood and growing up. So best wishes to all of you guys. So I'm making a short video for the instructions which you have to keep in your mind. Already I have taken the class, one day before, where we have thoroughly discussed paper 1, all the long questions, all the short questions along with the instruction. But today I'm also making a short video, so these things you have to keep in your mind, right guys? So these are the instructions you have to keep in your mind, right? The number 1 is date. Already you know that date is 7, right? And timing of paper is 1:30 to 4:30, right guys? So this is the important you have to keep in your mind. Okay, and third is, first is done, second is done, third guys, you have to note your centers. Okay, I hope you all have got your roll numbers. Okay, some students were late because of due to the not admitted the migrations on the time. So I think all have got the roll number, right? And guys, you have to see your center, right? And you have to reach on the center 1 hour before, right? Already I told you day before, and now today's instructions I'm telling you, okay, because I will upload the videos in the very beginning, okay, in the morning, right? So you have to see the video and you can reach on your center at least 1 hour before, okay, because this is your first paper, you all are new to your center, right? Rest of the exams you can go with time, you can manage the time, but at the very first day you have to reach on your center, you have to see your roll number, your room, each and everything, right? This is a new for you, and it happens because I have the experience. Many student comes and tells us at the very first day they have left with the 1 questions, 2 questions because of they reached on at a very first day late on the examination center. So guys, this is the important, at a very first day you have to reach on your center at least 1 hour before, right? Next we are going to discuss the instruction 4 to 8. So these instructions 4 to 8 are concerned with your paper, right? Now question paper would come in front of you. What would be the first step? First step is that guys, you have to count the answer sheets. Okay, answer sheet mostly come in 36 pages or 40 pages, right? Total would be the 18 or 20 sheets, every sheet having the left side and right side, so total 36 or 40, right? So I'm assuming that you are getting the 18 sheets, total 36 pages. And now we have to see question paper. In a questions paper, you know that there would be the 5 section. First section, compulsory section is compulsory, right? 4 short questions. Every question carries the 4 marks, 4 into 4, 16. And rest of the 4 section, unit 1, 2, 3 and 4, again carries the 16 marks. But in every unit, out of 2 questions, you have to attempt 1, right? So total 5 questions. Basically 4 long questions and 4 short questions. 4 long and 4 short questions, right? Now you have to see, how many times you have to give, how many pages you have to fill. This is the most important, right? So guys, long questions, already told you many times, you have to fill the 7 pages. How many pages? 7 pages. But 7 pages within a 35 minute. This is also important, right? Long question, you have to fill 7 pages within a 35 minute. And for the short answers, you have to fill 2 pages within 8 to 10 minutes, right? So first what you have to do, first, as you know, compulsory sections would come. Okay, 4 short questions you have to write. Okay, you have to go serial wise. Okay, don't start with the long questions. Okay, you have to go with the serial wise. As you know, first short questions would come. So 4 questions you have to write, filling the 2 pages, at least fill the 8 or 9 pages. Every answers you have to give the 2 pages, and you have to finish within a around 40 minutes, right? 8 into 4 32 minutes होते हैं, तो 35 या 40 minutes में you have to see the time. Within a 40 minutes you have to finish your all the 4 questions, short questions with 8 or 9 pages. Okay, now you know the time starts, your long questions would come, and for a long questions you have to fill the 7 pages and you have to give the 35 minute. Okay, don't go beyond 35 minute. If it is filled the 5 sheets 6 sheets, so guys what you have to do, you have to finish the paper. Okay, but timing is important. Within a 35 minute you first of all you have to fill the 7 pages, but somehow you fill 5 pages. Okay, then you have to finish the paper by giving the conclusion over there, right, and jump to the next question, because the most important thing is that you have to do 100% attemptation. This is the important, right? So similarly 35 into 35 35 35 you have to give. So 2 hours and 15 minutes or 20 minutes you will finish your 4 long questions also, right guys? And the last instruction is that attempt full paper. That 36 or 40 pages would come. Okay, and attempt the serial wise, give more headings, underline and give conclusions, right? So you have to give the headings also, right? The more you have to give the headings, the more marks you will get. And you have to underline the headings, because examiner doesn't check your paper, read your paper line by line or character by character. Basically he sees the only the headlines. Okay, so you can go, you have to use the blue pen writing your answer, and you can use the pencil, you can underline the headings. Okay, and give the conclusion, right? Last half pages or 7 or 8 lines, it should be of the conclusion, right guys? So once again, best wishes to all of you guys for today's exam. Best wishes to all of you. So actually yesterday I sent a short answers on my channel on my group. Okay, so you can see that these are the short answers. Okay, so already we have discussed whole of our paper day before, but actually yesterday I have put these short answers guess on the channel. If you didn't, so you can see that guys. Okay, so mostly actually all are the familiar questions. Difference between growth and development, characteristics of play, educational implications of a Kohlberg's theory, parenting style, concept and types of thinking, memory and its types, types of forgetting, concept of marginalizations, exclusion, वो same ही है, marginalizations means exclusion ही होता है, right? And stereotyping on child development, gender stereotyping, class, racial stereotyping, and influence on media on audience perception. Okay, the last unit, है ना? Media construct and deconstruct your personality, right? So how role of a media constructs the personality or the child development, right? So you can do the short questions, influence on media on audience perception, right guys? And PDF file, complete PDF file I have already shared with you. This is a complete PDF file, right? So you all have got this complete PDF file, right? So this is your syllabus, unit 1, 2, 3, 4, right? This is your last year paper. Okay, and after that I have solved last year paper along with all the syllabus, right? So these are at least 110 pages, right? So these all you already have this, and trust me, by studying these all, okay, you will attempt your 100% paper. But you have to keep in your mind filling all the sheets, 7 pages for the long answer within 35 minutes, short questions 2 pages, 8 to 10 minutes, right guys? So thank you so much guys once again. So give your paper in a very effective way, and again best wishes to all of you, right? Second paper I'll take the exam preparation class on 8th, right? Because today is your paper, right? tomorrow I'll take your class. Thank you so much.